Get some perch or pike or rooney boonies. Doesn't look too busy at all.
Can't stop addicted to the shindig. Chop top, it says I'm gonna win big.
Oh,
Choose not to like
nice and close, not so far away. Little ding dang dog for me. I brought my drop shot rod. Well, not the wrong rod actually. Should have brought me my lure rod, but looks like we're doing some drop shot for perch. We'll have a look, see, go off the jetty down the Preston Park. We'll see if we can get anything. I suppose the guys just stick a smaller on the drop shot. But you'll be able to feel every bite anyway, so it should be alright. Alright, see what happens in there. Right, we're out looking for the perch and the pike of roonies. No perch. Well, it's my first one at the moment, so we'll have to see what happens. Nothing off my first casts. Well, go for a start a little bit, but yeah. See if we can find a nice little shoal of them there. The river does look a bit dark, but it is actually clear, so it shouldn't be too hard for them to see these. We'll wait and see it. Chance of single fish. A little bit of action down at my feet actually, just close in. Little jackpot, maybe chasing a few silvers. longer to get down. I have to change the jig head. Keep it light. Missed a bite there. Cool. Right. Got a new spot. Try something different. Make something a bit brighter, see. It winds them up a bit. Yeah. A few more people getting about now, but currently 25 to 12. I'll have a little, there's a little bridge up here that I like. I don't think you're meant to go. I mean, it is some surf, but you're alright. Little spot here. I like the look of. Seen on a couple of other YouTube videos, a few other lads fishing it. Had some decent perch over there. So I thought, why not? Let's have a go. Let's have a butcher's, have a little look, see if we can have one or two out. I'll be happy with just a one, to be fair. Like, I don't know why, but the river hasn't been fishing good at the moment for quite some time. But it has been the warmer months, obviously. But we'll see what happens. Little spot here. Oh, nice. Someone's even took the little plank out the fence for us there. Look at that. Ready for us to go and fish straight off. Nice. Jump in. Let's have a little look there. Stick that back down here. Right. For a perch, yeah. What a chance to sink to the bottom. Quite warm. Oh, some fizzing now. Some movement over there. What was over there? Some lovely perch caught for you last year. Oh, snag. Snagged. Oh, bloody hell. Right, I'll switch over to a little drop shot rig. Cause it's quite snaggy down here. I don't know, I'll just give it a try, can't we? See if anything comes of it. Oh. I know there's perch here. Right, yeah, that's fine. Right. Right. What? quite snaggy down there. I can feel the drop shot bouncing off all the stuff on the bottom. Might have to alter the depth maybe. Might be a bit too. Something here. Right, we'll go and have another little go at this spot up here. We had a daft couple of knocks up there. Snaggy as anything. Jesus. The river seems to have dried right up. What's going on? I need to get one at least today. Only got about another 45 minutes. And gotta go home, having a play up with families. Let's go. Right, see what happens here. Right, gonna be a little perch, I think. Come on, might be a jack. Come on, stay on you. Ugh. That'll do. Where are you? Where have you gone? There you are. See a little perch. What have we got? I think it's a perch. Whoa, nice perch. Way, nice perch that, mate. Nice perch-a-rooney there. Still trying to fight it. Right. Oh. Oh. There you go. It's a good perch that. Yeah, alright. Right. There you go. There you go, mate.
Just come and got one.
Sorry?
How long have you been here?
It was my second or third cast when you come. It was a nice little fish there. Well.
You ever take them home?
Sorry?
You ever take them home?
No, I always catch and release. Yeah, catch and release, mate. Now I know they're right over there. I had one last year just off that thing over there, and that was a nice decent size. Good size perch that was. I'm happy with that. Aye. Does it make you want to get out, do a bit of fishing?
I used to play golf every morning about 7 o'clock in the morning before the golf over there.
Where, Ingleby?
Yeah.
What was it again there?
After I retired, you know,
Yeah.
played there for about 8 years. No competition out like that, just
Nice.
by myself or with a mate.
Oh, snap.
Just enjoyed it, see all the deer and the foxes and that.
Oh, you see all sorts when you're mooching the when you're out at that time of morning as well, don't you? Oh. Oh God! You see that? Come off! Bloody hell! I think that was a pike. That. Did you see it? Yeah. State of this. Trying to fish. Look there. That's not nice. Yeah. You know about? Finished. Well, at least we've had one, haven't we? You know. It was decent size, to be fair. Quite happy with that. I don't think it's my PB, but it wasn't far off. have another more cast in here, then might have a little walk down that bit and see what's see where we go from there. Yeah, have a bottle of water. Got about another 30 minutes fishing left now. We'll have a look. Right. Get back here. Oh. Oh, we'll go off here. I think it's the first time I've ever done drop shot in a river before. Normally do it if I got like this, a reservoir or maybe a lake or something, but I've never done drop shot in a river. But yeah, I've got me decent lure rod, so I can't be smashing big pike today. This it'll probably be alright to be fair, but it's gotta look me lighter set up, so oh god, I missed it. Come back, come on. God, I was in again then. Right, that's me done for the day. Currently 1 o'clock. Heading back up now. Go get myself a cup of tea. I'm happy with that. Nice. Oh, I've only got one, but still better than nothing there. What was out for? Right. Thank you very much.